brief introduction?
My name is Piyush, and currently I am pursuing my BTech from Gurugram University in Gurugram. And currently I am in final year, 7th semester, and I am going to pass out in 2026. My specialization is electronics engineering and VLSI design and technology.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Jonathan, can you give me your brief introduction?
Yes, I am Jonathan. I am electronics engineering student, and I am from Argentina.
Okay. What are your specializations?
I am electronics and telecommunications.
Okay. Um, in which subjects you have specialization?
I don't have a specialization in my university. I did the design verification course, but in my university I don't have a specialization.
Okay. So, do you know about the Verilog system, Verilog, UVM?
Yes, I did the course in VLSI for all.
Okay. So, what all courses you have done? Like, what all subjects you have special?
I did the design verification, the premium RTL and verification.
Okay, fine. So, so when I will ask the question first, Piyush will answer, or you can like um, raise your hand. Like, if you know the answer, I will call you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know about the FSMs,
Yes, ma'am.
Jonathan? You know about the FSMs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please tell.
FSMs are the finite state machines, and we can use it to generate different and like if else, like different structures. Like if something happens, if one condition happens, we can go to another state. We can move to different states depending on the current condition and the previous one and the new one. We can move from the one condition to another.
Okay. So Piyush,
Yes, ma'am.
please explain the FSMs.
As Jonathan told, FSMs are finite state machines, and finite state machines, with the help of finite state machines, we can model any type of circuit, whether it is combinational or sequential. We can model any type of circuit in a state diagram, equivalent state diagram, and we can implement that circuit.
So you both have missed that there are two types of FSMs like Moore and Mealy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I want you to write an Verilog code for sequence detector for 11011.
110 and 11.
11011 in Moore machine. Jonathan, have you understood the question?
Yes, man, I understood.
Okay, okay.
So we have to write now.
You can write in copy, or you can share your screen in, or you can also write in notepad.
Okay, just let me take.
Okay, Jonathan, are you sharing your screen or you are writing in a copy or something? Okay, if you have missed listening the question, I have written also in a chat box, so you can verify it. Okay. Mm. Your screen is not sharing. If you are like sharing your screen.
Can I draw state diagram and use that?
Yeah, okay. Show me.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just creating. Just a second.
Okay. So Jonathan, I also need a diagram also. Okay.
Mm, yes,
State diagram.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's something like this. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes. Show me, show me.
Yes.
Um लाइट पड़ रही है अभी जैसे.
Then मैं photo send कर दूँ?
हाँ. There are some problems in your
Yes, ma'am.
diagram.
Which part?
Okay, so um, at the stage of S2,
Yes, ma'am.
um,
There was a correction at S2. I
yeah,
crossed that line.
तुमने मतलब S2 से S0 को दोबारा से करा है.
Yeah, ma'am. Because we have to take
S2
sequence of
S2 के
one.
ऊपर ही 1 का होएगा ना. S2 को दोबारा से वो 1.
Yeah, ma'am. That line I forgot to write one on that, but that line
Okay.
has to be one because for zero it is going to S3.
Yeah. And after that, from S5, it will 1 will go to S1. You have not written that.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, After
From
S5.
from S5, there will be two. Like um, S5 will go to the S0 at 0,
Ma'am,
and
you also not mentioned about overlapping or non-overlapping. That's why I just reset it by assuming that there is no overlap.
non-overlapping. Like by
Yes, ma'am.
default,
So
we take
non,
the non-overlapping, right?
ma'am, by no overlapping, we have to just uh, uh, get back to initial stage. Whether my output is zero or one, input my zero or one, because we have to start from the beginning, next sequence. So don't matter, no matter what my input is 0 or 1, we have to go back to S1. Yes, ma'am, I got my mistake in my state diagram. There was a mistake.
Okay,
When I'm
understood.
Yes, ma'am.
So from S5
When-
we can go to the S1 state.
Yes, ma'am. And similarly, on when we are on S2, we can go to S1. No, we will remain on same S2 state because we have triple one, and from triple one we can utilize our double one. So
Uh,
yes, ma'am. I will correct this in my Verilog.
okay, okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. My code is
okay,
almost
continue.
completed.
Okay, Jonathan. Okay, Jonathan. Have you like drawn the state diagram?
Yes, I am drawing it. I
Okay,
I did a part of the code already, and I am drawing the states.
okay. You're drawing in a notebook or in some word pad or something.
In the computer, I have a whiteboard.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, can you please tell once again? It's by default overlapping or non-overlapping?
Can you repeat?
Ma'am, can you tell once again? Is it overlapping or non-overlapping by default?
Non-overlapping.
Non-overlapping. Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I'm done. My code and state diagram. Send it across. Please ignore the
Okay,
variable
send me,
names.
send me. Sure.
And my voice is cracking.
Uh, I'm saying give me 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm checking your code diagram. I think first of all, your representation is wrong.
Ma'am, for what?
Your representation, like in this circle, only we write the zero or one or zero.
Not getting it to what are you saying? Can you please check?
What?
Ma'am, I didn't get what you are saying. Uh, I have problem in my representation in which part?
Send you the diagram.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
I should send you the diagram of.
You have made in a computer only, right? So you can just share me a screen.
I did in.
Okay, okay. In a
I
chat
could
box, you
I
have.
couldn't
Okay.
do it in. Yes,
Okay, okay, fine.
I don't know. I couldn't do it in the computer, so
So, like it will go to the S1 also.
Ma'am, but why? Because we have completed a single sequence 11011. Now we have to start from beginning now because it's not overlapping case. We can't utilize that last one of the previous sequence in my current sequence. That's why I go to S1.
Okay, Jonathan, you can continue with your Verilog code for this.
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So I think what you have done, like on from S5, you have given the both input 0 and 1 at S0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's wrong is that after the machine reaches S5, it has already consumed the 5 bits, like 11011.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the next input bit uh, should be used to start a fresh attempt to match the pattern again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if the next bit is 1, the FSM should move to the S1.
So you are saying if from S5, if my input is 0, it should go to S0, and if my input is 1, it should go to S1.
Um, wait. What you have said?
And I am asking that you are saying that if I am currently on S5 and my input
Okay,
is 0, we should go
yeah,
to S0, and if
yes,
my input is 1, we should go to S1.
yes. That's what
Okay, ma'am,
I'm
got it.
saying.
Okay, ma'am, got it. I missed this one. Yeah, it should go to S1 if the input is 1. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay,
Ma'am, is there any problem in code? Uh,
yeah, I'm checking that only.
Otherwise, okay, ma'am.
So your Verilog code will change, I think. So inside the always at the rate,
Yes, ma'am.
postage clock or postage reset should be there.
Yes, ma'am. I did synchronous reset.
And if the reset will happen, then the you have said that current state would be S0,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And your output will also be equal to, right, 1 bit 0.
Yes, ma'am. But it will. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but it. I also cared about it in my last block. Always at the rate hash being. If any of my variable changes, my output default y is equals to 0.
Like where?
Ma'am, in the end of code, the last always block.
Okay.
But by default cases y is equals to 0. I sent it.
Okay, Piyush.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So for S1, you have written the condition like if the ternary operator
Yes, ma'am.
in the after the question mark, you have written if it true, then it will go to the S2. But
Yes, ma'am.
don't you think that it will go to the S1 state only? And if it will be false, it will go to the S2 state.
When it will be true, it will go to S2, and when it will be false, 0 case. It should go to S1. Yes, ma'am. Then it should go to S1. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are correct, ma'am.
And for S2,
S2. I think S2 is right.
hello,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was saying, Piyush, that if for your
Your voice is correct. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, I was saying that if for your S2 state condition, if it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be true, then it should go to the S3, and it will be false, then it should go.
Our sequence is 110, and if I am on S2, it means that I have got two ones. And for now, my true condition is 0 because I want 0 to complete my sequence further. So if I got 0, then I should go to S3. And if my um, yes, ma'am. If I got 0, then I would I should go to S3. And if I got 1, then I will remain on the same state because I can utilize my two ones from my three ones. So that I thought. And ma'am, in the case line, I just switched the variables. I just switched the states.
Yeah, I was saying that for the S3 condition, if it will
Yes,
be 0, it will go to the S0, and if it will be 1, then it should go to.
my voice is cracking. Straight.
Hello, Piyush. Am I
Yes, ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am. I hear it.
So I was. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sorry. There was some net issue.
Yes,
Okay, so I was saying that for student, when it will be 1, then it will remain at S2 only, and when it will be 0, then it will go to the S3.
yes, ma'am. So this is happening now. Uh, at my S2 stage, if my x is 1, then it is going to S2 because condition is true. Assign ternary operator in such a way that my x is equals to 1, then it should remain on S2. And if my x is 0, it should go to S3. This is happening.
That I take complete the code.
Okay, I will see that.
Is there something wrong with S2 line? Because till now I haven't figured out anything from this line.
What you have figured out?
Till now, I have not figured out any mistake in the S2 state. And you are saying is there any problem?
No, no. Okay, so while I'm checking the Jonathan's code and statement, so can.
Your voice is still
Okay,
cracking.
okay, so you can like what will be the output of this question?
I have to tell the output of this question. Okay.
Yes. So you सो पीयूष आपको कुछ भी लिखना हो ना तो आप ये न्यूज चैट करके आप मेरे को पर्सनली लिख देना क्योंकि जोनाथन भी है ना.
Didn't understand. Sorry, I didn't understand the last thing. Like, should I
Okay, okay.
respond?
No, no, no.
Oh, okay.
So Jonathan, like why you have for the last date like F. Okay, so why you have given the input one at the F state only?
Well, when it is one, it maintains the position. I think it maintains in the same state. I think.
No, for when the F state will be 1, it will go to the S. If the your state will be 1, it will go to the B state. And if it will be 0, then it will go to the A state. Have you understood that?
Yes, man. I understood.
Wait, Jonathan. It not for only one name. Okay, so Piyush, please solve next question, and you
Okay, ma'am.
have to give me the output. What will be the output? I have to just write in. Okay, Jonathan. In the everyone chat box, I have given the 2 questions, and you just have to find out what will be the output of the question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, and you can just personally in the chat box give the answer. Meanwhile, I am checking your Verilog code. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Thanks.
Okay, Jonathan.
Yes.
Um, have you like um done the output by yourself by like seeing the and solving the code, or like you have put it in the simulator and run it?
Yes, I run the simulator in on which in the FSM. I mean in the or in the chat box in the
No,
question.
no, for the output question I'm asking.
No, in the question, no.
You have solved by yourself, right? Or
Yes.
you have just put it in the simulator and run it?
No, I saw you solve by myself.
Okay, that's correct. Your, your answer is correct.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, fine. In the everyone chat box, I have given the other question also for the output. Before that, are we able to see that?
Yes.
Solve this also.
And my your question.
Okay. Um, you should mention
Yes,
the queue for display and strobe also. Okay, in the output, we are also displaying the display and strobe.
ma'am. The first value is for display and the second value is for stroke on each time instant. First
Your
I
answer
mentioned.
is wrong, I think.
Yes.
Please recheck it. Okay, Jonathan. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah. So I want to know the difference between the dollar display. Can you explain me that?
Sorry, I couldn't hear the first part.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I want to know the difference between the dollar strobe and dollar display, Jonathan.
Yes, the strobe displays the message at the end of the current clock time. It's like, and display is an immediate display, because if I have like for example in this question I have some non-blocking assignment, and the non-blocking assignment runs at the end of the clock. So display don't show it, but shows the change.
Okay, so you want to say that dollar display will show the change at immediately.
Yes, and
Yeah.
strobe is at the end of the clock.
Okay, so this after the always block, is this resembles any flip flop if you remember the code?
Yes,
Which flip flop?
the D flip-flop, because it generates a delay
Okay,
to
can
the
you draw
output.
the truth table for it,
Yes,
for the D flip flop? Yes.
Ma'am, I know about dollar store is that it displays the value of an event at the last instant of time. And I always used dollar store in initial, and I never used always. I mean, the dollar store in always. That's why I do not know what's
Yeah.
answer of this question. What is the answer of this question?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you like give the correct answer, or we should move to the next question?
Ma'am, I think
Are you rechecking?
on 10 on 10 the dollar display will print q is equals to 1, and the dollar stop will print q is equals to 0, and on 25 both dollar display and stop will print 0. Is this correct?
No, that's not correct.
Yeah, ma'am. That then I don't know the correct answer.
Okay. Okay, Jonathan, can you explain, Piyush?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Jonathan.
uh,
Can you
yes, ma'am.
explain what the correct answer to Piyush and why?
Yes,
Okay, please explain to him.
the first display is 0 because it didn't change. It didn't change immediately. It changed at the end of the clock. So the first display will be 0. And when I do the strobe, it's after everything in that is non-blocking, because when I have a non-blocking assignment, it goes at the end of the clock. So only the strobe will show it. The display will show the previous state.
Jonathan, I want to know that our first posit is coming on hash 10. Okay, our first posit is coming on hash 10. At hash 5, our clock is 0, and on hash 10, it will going to 1. Then it means that our first posit is on 10, and similarly, our second posit is on 25. And you said dollar display print immediate value. matlab, I mean, the current value it displays. So at hash 10, our D is equals to 1. So it should print 1. Na? Why is it printing 0?
Oh, because it only changed. I think it's because the always because the always is working only in possession. So it only changed the value when is clock is 1 because it starts in 0. After that it goes to 1. It goes to 0 and it goes to 1. And in the 0 time it go this 0 in hash 5 it is 1 and only at hash 5 again it will be 0 again because it ignores the clock when it goes to 0. If clock is 0, the always is not working because it only works in the post session.
So Piyush, have you understood?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So when the display it is equal q is equal to 0, that is the old q.
Okay, ma'am.
And when the strobe will be q equal to 1, that will be the new q after the update.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And after that display when q is equal to 1, it will be the old q from the previous update.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And the when the strobe is equal to 0, after that it will be the new q after the update.
When strobe is equals to
0 after that
okay,
is at the 20 at 25, and the clock is equal to 1, pause it event, the strobe will execute at the end of the time slot. So it will print new q is equal to 0. That will be the new q.
yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah, Piyush, I'm saying that you can deepen your understanding for further interviews.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, on FSMs and output questions.
Okay.
Okay, 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 Jonathan, have
Yes,
you any
ma'am.
questions for me?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay, then. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Piyush, and for all first.
okay, okay.
And for all, we will have another session.